What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. How to identify reversals. Simplest and easiest way. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also post trade breakdowns, trading plan videos, trade psychology videos, and most importantly, we live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. We also have a free signal room, free Telegram. There's the first link in the description. This is how we did last month, October. We caught a total of 157,608 pips, 125,674 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the month 32.5, giving us an 86% win rate. Now, this is how we did last quarter. July, we went 34 wins, 3 losses. August, we took 45 wins, 7 losses. And in September, we took 27 wins, 4 losses, catching 105,389 pips July, 219,708 pips in August, and 16,634 pips in September, giving us a total of 341,731 pips caught, 323,385 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the quarter, 106 wins, 14 losses, giving us an 88% win rate. Every trade posted has the date, the time the trade was posted, my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. Now let's get straight into this video. So before you can identify reversals, you got to know how to identify the trend. But if you don't understand how to identify trend, I do recommend watching that video first, so this will make a lot more sense. So if you don't understand how to identify the trend, pause this video, click that video that's popping on the top left or right of your screen, and then come back to this one. Now, I always recommend to go with the flow of price, but in order to go with the flow of price, you still have to be able to identify and anticipate possible reversals and also understand the signs and or confirmations of a reversal coming into play. So let me show you an example really quick. So this is good old EJ. We actually caught this entire reversal move, which I'm going to show you after we break this down. So first thing we're doing is we're on the daily time frame. We're identifying the trend. We can clearly see that we're bullish, nice uptrend. We see clear higher highs getting made, no lower lows. So up until price shows us otherwise, I'm going to only look for buys. One thing I tell my members and students all the time is follow the flow of price. If everything's showing us buys, only go for buys. Everything showing us sells, only go for sells. What are the rules to the uptrend? For the uptrend to continue, we need to see price break this higher high in order to make a higher high. Like the name says, the high has to be higher than the other high. So let's see what happens. All right, so we had a low. We are still bullish. We respected the support level right here, as we can see. But for the uptrend to continue, we still need to see this high get broken and this resistance level be treated as a support. So let's see if price does that. All right, it failed. So we did not see a higher high. So now we have a low, lower high, and lower low. So now if price treats this support level as a resistance, that is when we want to pull the trigger and start looking for sells, and that could be the beginning of the downtrend coming into play. So now let's hit the play button and see what price does. And that's exactly what happened. Now I know some of y'all might be thinking this is a bar replay, but we literally caught these moves and broke these down live every day on London session. Now let's look at these dates. This was Thursday, November 30th. This was December 1st. So now let's go into my actual chart where I have my markups and trade off of, and we'll see that we caught those moves. And again, this is the daily time frame. So by following these rules, not only did we predict the direction price was going for the entire day, but we caught the entire daily candlestick. But now let's go onto the smaller time frame so you can see a little bit better how this looked. So again, this was November 30th. This was Friday, December 1st. And then here was that beautiful drop to the downside. And then we're in the advanced play signal room. You can see that we was talking about we're going to be looking for sells. Then you can see that we took sells on those days as well, right? Next day, took another sell. All TPs got hit. Continue to take sells. All TPs got hit. So we literally broke this down. Next day, caught those sells, right? So we literally caught day after day after day after day of this huge move right here. This was a huge 1 to 20 risk reward. So this was a huge move right here. But it's literally that simple, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all another example. Look right here, we have a clear downtrend, but price is starting to make higher highs. But for the uptrend to continue, what needs to happen? We need to break this high to the left. So let's see what price does. It rejects that level, reattempts, it's still holding this as resistance. And then look what happened. Price reversed and rejected and continued the downtrend, right? Let's do another example. So we have a downtrend right here. Lower high, lower low. We no longer see lower lows getting made, and we broke the lower high to the left. So now we have a nice higher high. So price needs to break this resistance level in order to break the high to the left, hold it as support for the uptrend to come into play and for this reversal to be valid still. Look at price right now. Reject that level, broke it, held it as support. So now price is holding that support. That's when we want to pull the trigger and look for that buy setup. Now look what price did after that. Skyrocketed to the upside. And then if we look at these dates and we go to my actual marked up chart, not only did we take these sells, but we also caught those buys to the upside, and then we caught the buys into the next month as well. So again, by following these rules, it takes a little bit of patience because you want to wait for those confirmations. The confirmations are super important. It takes a little bit of patience, but as you can see, patience pays. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join a free signal room, free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how I identify and mark up these levels personally, or interested in the signal room or my mentorship, hit those links in the description. Before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit of what those details are. So the advanced play signal room, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal room, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York price watch list. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.